Why do I see Riot and Mara trending on stock to it? So I'm going to go ahead and kind of take a little look here at the charts. I'm going to start off with the Riot, and I'm going to look at the weekly time frame here. So I do got this trend line drawn down out here at $12.70. We did find a little bit of bottom here where buyers were comfortable stepping in on this stock. You can see we came down and touched it here on the 24th of January when we had that big sell-off in the overall market. Then we kind of bounced up. Then now we came down again. So if we just switch over to the daily time frame and kind of see where we're at here, I guess you can kind of call this a little bit of a double bottom here on the 24th as well as the 28th. A little bit of a double bottom. We did quickly short term reclaim the 20-day moving average where we kind of held above for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days before we lost that level, came back down into this zone, and now here we are yet again testing this 20-day moving average. So one thing that I do want to keep in mind going into tomorrow, if we can confirm today's highs, which this price is going to put us at right around $17.91. Currently in the after hours, we're at 18. So just kind of be mindful of that as the pre-market is opening up. But if we can kind of, maybe get a red to flat open tomorrow, 17.91, 18, and then start to build above this level, a little bit of a pullback off the open and then push higher. You potentially have a little bit of a trade here from $18 to $20. Definitely want to be selling that, selling into that strength at around $20.87. So I guess if we go ahead and we look at Mara, I guess it's going to give us kind of the same story here. So pretty much same story here, a little bit of a double bottom on that 24th and 28th. This bottom price here on MARA is going to be around $19. We did come down here and test it for the third time. So this area here is showing that buyers are very, very comfortable. They're very, very comfortable down in this level. Definitely, if you're holding any long positions over 19, I would consider extremely bullish. Definitely, if we do lose $19 area, I would want to think about reconsidering or maybe, cutting the loss and or averaging down at the next support. So if we do lose 19, doesn't mean to just go start buying that dip. You're going to want some sort of consolidation. You're going to want to form some sort of new base. Mara is going to be the same as Riot. If we can get back over this 20-day moving average here and a price point of $26.19, I could see us going long. So we are trading at $26.77 in the after hour session. Again, be mindful of that going into pre-market as we are over those levels. But we are going to need to come, maybe a little bit of a pullback right off the open back into that $26 range. And then if we can push higher, I think that Mara and Riot could be setting up potentially for a good little day trade. Obviously, for us to want to get extremely bullish on this stock or kind of break this downward momentum here, we are going to need to get over $31.74. So we're still about 6 points away from that. Just be mindful of those levels. If we do break out here, kind of consolidate, what we want to do is a little bit of a flag pattern, maybe even back test. And as we break this level, this would take us out of the downward channel here. So definitely keep that in mind, guys. If you do want to trade with me each and every single day live on Discord, where I'm kind of throwing out these levels that we can trade intraday, definitely want to subscribe to my channel as well as join that Discord that's down in the description box below. If you guys are looking for a strategy, you guys want to use my strategy, definitely look at the description box below where you guys can learn my strategy, evolutiontraders.com. And I'm going to see you guys all on the next trading video.